Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will share 3 redeem codes special for the fall harvest event in Grow a Garden 2. So in this latest update at the fall harvest event update, there are 3 redeem codes, new redeem codes. First, you just need to redeem this code. But first, just open the settings icon and then scroll down, and then just enter this code. Water your plants like this. This is the first redeem code. In here, I already claimed it, so I can't redeem it anymore. But from this code, you will get the syrup watering can. And then next for the next code is this one. Remember to drink like this. Remember to drink water. And then for the last code is this one team green pin. And okay, that's it for these 3 redeem codes, and you can just try in your account. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.